Yes, guys, welcome back with another one today. Today it's something simple, really simple. We got some shrimps today. An easy, quick thing. So I season them up. You know how I season them up. Everything have to be seasoned up properly. Yeah. Uh, just season them up and thing. This one gonna be like a really peppery one today. So got a lot of pepper stuff on there. So I'm gonna mix it with some rice today. You know how I do my rice proper. And I got some mixed veg there. So you have some peas and some little carrots and corn and stuff. So that get thrown into the prawns. And I run out of jerk seasoning, the wet jerk seasoning. So I was gonna try and do like a jerk shrimp today, but run out of that. But I've got something else. I got there's a thing called a Reggae sauce. So it's basically a sauce. So I'm just gonna put a bit of the sauce in there, and then we'll work with that. I just work with whatever is available, man. That's how I run it. You know how it goes. Yeah, so I got my prawns in the pot there. So you just leave them to cook for 5-10 minutes. You don't need no more than that. That's there, just cooking there, just to get them a bit soft a little bit. That's it. Yeah, these take quick time. There's no long thing. It's up to you if you want to make them soft, hard. I mean, they're quite soft anyway, so you don't need to cook them for long. Yeah, so then my rice is ready. You know how we do it, shelly rice, no clump, nothing, shelly. Yeah. You know how it goes. So yeah, but it's simple things, man. Nothing complicated today, Yeah, man. So these are almost ready now. So we'll just check them and see how they are. Yeah, they're looking nice. Yeah, man. There. Yes, sir. It's smelling so sweet, man. It's unreal. Jeez. So I'll just throw my veg and nacho season and everything in there and just cook it down. I got a bit of water in there just to steam everything nice, and because I like gravy, so that make my gravy as well. So I just leave it there to just simmer down and let that gravy thick up and thing. And eat that nice. See, look at it, man. Look at it looking pretty. Look, pure colors in the pot. Look at that, man. It's smelling gorgeous. Oi. Yeah, man. Nice it up, man. Nice it up. Yeah, like I said, I never had the wet jerk seasoning, so I have to scrap that idea and just go with the sauce, and I'll just roll with that. So now I've got some Reggae sauce there. This is very nice, and it's mild. It's not very peppery, but obviously I put some other pepper in there, so it nice it up. So I use this sauce, a very nice sauce, man, and I just use that, and you know how it goes. I make do with what you have, man. Nice it up same way. Yeah, man. Yes, this is it. Pot land. Everything ready now. Yeah, man. Just guys, remember to like up the video, share the video, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how it goes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's looking nice now, man. You can take off now. Everything ready now. So, I share some food out now, man. Turn off before I think. See how it looking? Yeah, man. Looking good, man. Looking good. Smelling good. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon. Alright.